Here's how to reduce your video file size without losing quality using HandBrake. Open HandBrake and import your video file by clicking Open Source or dragging and dropping it in. First, go to the Presets tab and select Production Standard. This is HandBrake's recommended setting for professional video workflows. Make sure the format is set to MP4 and check both Web Optimized and Align AV Start for the best results, especially for social media. Now, go to the Video tab. Set the video encoder to H.264 as it is the most compatible codec. Make sure the frame rate is set to Same as Source with Constant Frame Rate selected. On the right side, use the Quality slider. A value between 18 and 25 is the sweet spot. Lower numbers mean better quality but larger file size. A value of 22 works great for most videos. Set the encoder preset to Fast to keep encoding times reasonable. Go to the Audio tab and make sure the bitrate is set to 320 for the best audio quality. Before encoding, click Browse to choose where your compressed file will be saved. Then click Start Encode and let HandBrake do its thing. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.